Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap. Perryman local and long-distance movers near me. When you have to move your apartment or office to a new place more than 100 miles away, you will have to undertake a long-distance move. It can take you days and weeks to transfer all the belongings from your house to a new location all by yourself. In addition to the time, it will also be costlier. 3. Movers is a professional moving company with a team of trained people to ensure a smooth moving experience. The team will reach your house at the scheduled time and start packing the belongings. Then, they will disassemble the furniture, safely wrap the books, put things into the boxes, and finally label the boxes. Ditch stuffing your weekend with all the packing and unpacking stuff. Instead, use your weekend to complete other important tasks related to your local move. You can carry a DIY moving when you have little or no belongings to move. However, if you have an apartment to move to a new place, the best is to hire professional moving services. Our team will reach your place at the scheduled time. We will try and deliver your belongings as per the bill of lading. The team ensures that your furniture is safely disassembled and packed in boxes. If the distance is shorter and other factors allow, you can also pick the same-day delivery option. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Perryman moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.